Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Here is why I believe that bngo will grow so fast and it will explode one day. And here is one video that you should watch it. But before going in, if you are new to my channel, if you did not subscribe my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's go in.
Bionanogenomics had its largest present to date at the ACMG meeting that just ended, with 16 presentations featuring OGM or optical
16
genome mapping
presentations.
data. Here we'll give you a quick overview of the 5 ACMG presentations that featured postnatal analysis data, which covers children and adults with suspected genetic disease. First, Dr. Mark Ebert from the University of Kentucky spoke in a session called Hot Topics, Pushing the Boundaries of Genome Sequencing. He explained how thousands of genes cannot be fully analyzed with NGS because they contain repetitive sequences, but that long-range technologies such as OGM can detect variants in these dark genes. He showed an example of how a large repeat expansion causing ALS was sized accurately with OGM, something no other method can do, and how OGM resolved a complex rearrangement that caused Parkinson's disease in a patient. He stated that long-range technologies are ready for the clinic right now, but that whole genome analysis using long-read sequencing from PacBio or Oxford Nanopore is just not feasible now because the cost per sample is too high. While Sapphire can easily collect more than 1,000x coverage of a human genome for only $450 per sample. Dr. Somaya Fahiminia from the St. Justin Hospital at the University of Montreal showed how OGM can create a full picture of the inversion of the F8 blood clotting factor, which is one of the main causes of hemophilia A, which is not possible with other methods. Hemophilia A occurs in about 1 in 5,000 births, and testing for it in high-risk families is important to avoid unusual bleeding events. Madhuri Hegde from PerkinElmer Genomics discussed the performance of a clinical assay they developed on Sapphire for the diagnosis of FSHD, a form of muscular dystrophy. They used Bionano's specialized and focused FSHD analysis tool as the basis of their assay, which they claim is a promising method because it requires less input DNA and eliminates the need for radioactive labeling, unlike the standard method of Southern blotting. Dr. Andy Pang from Bionanogenomics showed examples of how OGM can detect the duplication of chromosome arms or entire chromosomes and large balanced and unbalanced events in a single assay. And lastly, Dr. Dong Zhang, also from Bionano, showed preliminary data for the upcoming and focused Fragile X analysis software for OGM. Fragile X occurs in about 1 in 4,000 boys and is a most common single gene cause of autism. That's why testing for Fragile X is part of major testing guidelines in cases of autism and intellectual disability. The Bionano and Focus tool will automatically size the repeat that causes Fragile X, and in 64 samples, the tool showed 100% accuracy in distinguishing disease-causing genes from normal ones. This concludes our summary of ACMG. I hope you found this video informative, and please follow us here on this platform if you don't already do so.
As you can see in this presentation, this is told that the Bionano has really efficient system, and it can really detect diseases really easily. And because in human body there is some cells that can cause of cancer or some other disease, this bionanogenomic has that Sapphire system that can detect really easily those cells, and they can treat it as well. So the second thing is, it is really affordable. It's not as expensive as other systems are available in this market, but it's really cheap. And if this device is going to distribute the all hospital in United States or some other country of the world, this system or price of those detecting or reporting going to be more cheap. So that's why I really believe, that's why I am heavily invested in this stock. So what do you think about this stock? Please comment below, let us know what you think about this. Till then, bye.